What's the meaning of compositor? Compositor. Compositor.
Compositor. Compositor. A compositor is a person who combines various elements, such as images, text, and effects, to create a visually appealing and cohesive final product. In the context of digital media, a compositor typically works with visual effects software to add and adjust elements within a scene, as well as to create seamless transitions between shots. The end result of a compositor's work is often seen in movies, television shows, video games, and other forms of digital media. Overall, a compositor plays a crucial role in bringing visual productions to life by seamlessly integrating multiple elements into a unified whole.